Alright, what up, y'all? So, back from the junkyard. Not eventful or nothing, but got another mirror. So, this is gonna replace this one right here, which the little tabs or whatever that screw all of this together, to the actual mount, that's broke. So, that's why that's getting replaced. Got a new tail light. So, this is just normal tail light with no cracks, because this one is cracked up. So yeah, that'll replace that. Yeah, didn't get this hood latch. They only had one of these up there. So this latch right here, this is my problem. So when this is up, and would be there when it's on video at work, but normally when this comes down, it's hitting this. There we go. Well, it's falling in place now, but the last couple of days this has been in front of that hook, so it's been jamming the hood down where the latch isn't latching, but then it's pressed up against it, not letting you take it out. So probably still gonna get another one of those eventually if it starts acting up again. But also there's no fenders on the one Mustang that was up there, so that whole fenders were gone, front end was gone, so all of that, nothing to get from it. But did get tail lights, a tail light, did get a mirror. I'm gonna go ahead and swap this out, and I think I'm gonna do some custom mirrors for this one with some signal lights in it, like I did these with the signal light. So kind of hard to see that one, but when I do the Mustang one, trial and error. So I did these. I got one little strip in there, so I don't know what happened, but video stopped recording. But anyway, when I do these, instead of having one LED strip like in the Impala lights where it shines down, it's more of a glow, I'm getting a dual row amber LED, and I just stretch it all the way across and have it facing directly forward. So that way the light should be a lot brighter than what they are in this one. So that'll be next up, and then it'll be time to fuel pump coming in a couple days, and I'll get that in, get this running, get it moved out the way, and then I can really start working on it and cleaning it up. But that'll be later this week. Alright, so after some pulling, I got this pretty much lined up. So it's supposed to be right here. So go forward just a little bit. I'm about maybe ½ inch, 3/4 of an inch too low. So I have to tap this up some kind of way. And this was like spot welded or whatever in place. So I don't have a welder, but I think I can get it far enough up to where the headlights will reach these to be able to bolt in with no problem. And once that's in, then it shouldn't be a problem of getting the fender and everything to line up. Cause yeah, that's really it. Like the fender's gonna connect on these. So I flatten this out some more, get this to match how it is on this side. So this little piece, which still has to be popped up some because this fender is dragging it down or whatever, but that's not much to deal with. So once I get the new fender on, all of this is perfect, so none of this is messed up from whatever happened to this car before me. But yeah, so that shouldn't be a problem, lining that up and getting the bolts down there to line up for the fender. So it's really just this section right here which got bent this way and then backwards and in towards the engine. So I got to pull it out a little bit, like I said. So I'll just push this up somehow, maybe get some blocks or something, put a jack on it, jack up, see if that'll get it to go for me. If not, heat it up and bang it with a hammer and hope that try to knock this out right here and try to push everything up. But it's closer than what it was, like by a long shot, so shouldn't be much of a problem. And this is almost as straight as this, was supposed to be. This piece I could stand to bend this little corner back a little bit, but it'd be all right for now. Yeah, so that might be it for today. Could probably get this fender off, but really no need because I can't open this door right now until I get the fuel pump, so no rush. But the reason I got this off is so I can open this door all the way. It's the first time I've been able to open it since, or all the way since I got it. So now I can sit down, draw this door panel out, and figure out what type of doors I'm going with. I'm probably gonna add some speakers in here, not sure how many, but I'm gonna do some sort of design with all of this. So now I can kind of see the whole door panel and figure out where I want to start, what I want to change, and how I want to go about it. So should be pretty dope. So yeah, that'll be some other video. That'll probably be once I get the engine and everything running and then get the new fenders put on. So this will probably be closer to last, but it's coming. So I guess that's it for now, and yeah, stick around for the next one.